Hello everybody, I'm delighted to join you today to celebrate some of the great health research that UK Biobank is making possible. I'm sure we would all agree that Biobank's achievements over the past 10 to 15 years are remarkable. The vast quantity of genetic and imaging data is driving forward imaginative approaches to analysis that would have been almost impossible to predict even a few years ago. The MRC is proud to be part of this exciting story. We look forward to UK Biobank continuing to support global health research. Now, UK Biobank's annual scientific event is usually a physical conference held in the heart of London. This year, as with so many events, things are being done differently, and the decision was made to make the event wholly online. Of course, we all miss the opportunity for unstructured conversations, to catch up with old friends and collaborators, and to forge new relationships and explore ideas. Nevertheless, by running the meeting virtually this year, more people from around the world are able to participate, further democratizing access to UK Biobank. Crisis sometimes requires a change of direction or emphasis, and it has been exciting to see how the wide MRC research community has met the coronavirus challenge, focusing diverse expertise and knowledge on tackling this pandemic. It's a pleasure to work in partnership with our other funders and also with researchers all over the world. UK Biobank and the very many researchers who generously guide and support the resource have implemented initiatives to collect new data that can be used to develop evidence-based responses to COVID-19. As ever, we are particularly grateful to all the UK Biobank's participants, including those people who are currently providing blood samples on a monthly basis to support critical research, which will help us to understand the immune response to the virus. The MRC's remit is to fund research to improve human health. We're completely agnostic about what that research might be, and we fund the entire spectrum of biomedical sciences, from protein crystallography through to clinical trials. We fund researchers in universities, hospitals, and in our own units, centres and institutes, both in the UK and abroad. We were founded back in 1913, so we do know the importance of long-term investments in research. In first establishing the UK Biobank almost 20 years ago and continuing to support it ever since, I do believe that we've been utterly true to our original mission. Finally, I know many researchers around the world are using biobank data, and I would urge others to consider how the resource might help their own studies. It has been said, and I believe this is completely true, that the value of UK Biobank will be limited only by the imagination of the research community using it. So I urge you to be imaginative, put the biobank data and the biobank team through their paces, and work together to improve the health for future generations. So I hope you enjoyed today's event. We at the MRC look forward to hearing more about the results of your endeavours in the months and years to come. Goodbye.